Welcome back, crypto explorers. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest questions in the space. What's the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum? While they're both cryptocurrencies, they were built for very different purposes. Let's break down the simple comparison in under 2 minutes. Bitcoin. Digital gold. First, Bitcoin. Think of Bitcoin as the original cryptocurrency, a digital version of gold. Its primary purpose is a store of value and a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It was designed to be a decentralized currency, a hedge against traditional financial systems and inflation. It has a limited supply of 21 million coins, which creates scarcity and value. Bitcoin's core function is simple: sending and receiving money securely. Ethereum, the world's computer now, Ethereum. While Ethereum also has its own currency, Ether, ETH, its true purpose is much broader. It's a platform, often called the world's computer. Ethereum introduced smart contracts, which are self-executing code that allows for the creation of decentralized applications, or DApps. This is the foundation of DeFi, NFTs, and countless other projects. Ethereum isn't just for money. It's a programmable blockchain that allows for a vast ecosystem of applications to be built on top of it. The key difference is purpose. Bitcoin is primarily a decentralized currency and a store of value, while Ethereum is a decentralized platform for building applications. Understanding their distinct purposes is crucial for navigating the crypto world. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more simple crypto breakdowns. What other topics should we cover next? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.